This video we are going to talk about making an introduction video for your YouTube channel or anything you are doing on social media. So if at the end of this day, if this video gives you any value, then hit that subscribe button. First of all, go to this website and pexels.com. This one, explore, go to free videos, graphics here, and then you will find this video. So download this video, just drag and drop this one to CapCut here, drag it to the timeline. Okay, once you are on your timeline, you will see this video here, and you can decrease and increase the size here. That's not a problem. The first thing is you need to go to write text here, and I'm adding text, just plain text. You can add it here and increase it a little bit, 10 seconds, that's fine. And go to this section here right now and click on text and add pro whatsoever your name is. If you don't know about importing new fonts, I have another video. Import these new fonts. I have this one, I like to use this one. And right now if you see, the text is here, and I can make it capital as well, pro thick. Alright, so the text is here as you can see, and now the size, font size is also here. Stroke, I would literally give a little bit stroke up to this percent, like 22% is okay. And then background is just like this one, or you can ignore this section as well. So once you are done and styling your text here, increase spacing a little bit. As you can see, the text is now separated, so you can adjust it according to your own requirements. Directly go to your animations now, and in animation you choose blur one. So here is the blur animation, and you choose in, and it will look like this one. Out animation, you just choose any one you like, but I would say faulty text. Can reduce it like 0.3 seconds. And this one is in animation. If you go to in animation, the size is here 0.5 seconds, so I can make it 1.7 or 6. This is my in animation and out animation. If you play, alright, bring it up to 6 and 7 seconds. Once your text is done, you just go to the start of your text here, and in the start you just go to position. Here you give your one keyframe, and now you go to the end of this text. This place you give another position and zoom this one to the screen. Now it's time to download some pictures. So first, go to any browsers you are using and type Facebook PNG, and same like whatsoever handles you are using. I have already downloaded these PNGs here, so I'm gonna import this PNG, this one, and these tweeters. I can use these handles there. So drag them to your timeline, directly drag like this one, bring them to this place, 1, 2, and 3. I need them here somewhere, and the handles are here now. As you can see, what you need to do, each handle you need to go to give some animations here. First you go to in animation and give any zoom out and zoom in, and here as well zoom out, and this one zoom out, in, zoom, in, zoom, in, zoom. Alright, okay, so duration is 0.5 seconds as you can see, and now if I go back, play, it will appear like this one. You can also do other fade in, fade out as well, and there are so many animations. You can try whatsoever you like, and I just gave them zoom in and out one. And here, whenever they disappear, here somewhere we need to give an effect, and that is just go to effect section and go all the way TV on and TV off. Yeah, this one, you just go to this option and select TV off. It will appear like this one, off. Here at this place you can click on this one, split this one, and click split, and click this one and split, and delete these extra part because this should disappear at that place. So now you have this one, and you can also change the duration of this one here, bring it to 7 or 8 is fine. So if I bring back, it will come here, glitch, and back to the normal like this. Alright, so this is pretty much done here, and extend this text a little bit here, 7 seconds, and bring this one up to this place, and here we go. here you bring this part and now split this one and you can delete extra part. And now it's time to add some music here. Whatsoever music you have, bring it to the CapCut here and cut this part and delete the extra part. And here is your introduction. Cool, pretty much done. I hope you like this video. If you like, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.